May is American Cheese Month, recognized each year to promote the quality and heritage of American cheeses by supporting local cheesemakers and family farms. Joining us today is chef and TV host Julie Hartigan, who is teaming up with Wisconsin Cheese to share some of its new Welcome to Wisconsin recipes as part of American Cheese Month. Chef Julie, welcome back to the show.
Hey, thanks so much for having me.
Why should we celebrate American Cheese Month?
Well, cheese can make any occasion more special, especially cheese, award-winning cheese from Wisconsin. Wisconsin's extending a welcome to shoppers across the country this May for American Cheese Month. Wisconsin crafts half of the nation's specialty cheese and offers more than 600 types, styles, and varieties of cheese.
What is a tasty recipe to get started?
Okay, I have some great ideas for you. The first one is this garlic hustalipa and vegetable crostini. It is fun, fresh, and so simple to make. Hustalipa is commonly referred to as bread cheese because it browns like toast but doesn't melt, making it perfect for grilling. Just add some colorful grilled vegetables, serve it on crusty bread. You've got a warm, satisfying bite that guests will rave about. And when it comes to summer hosting and you need a great go-to recipe, you're going to love this grilled mango and burrata platter. Belgioso burrata is fresh, creamy, and indulgent. It's like mozzarella's fancy cousin. Enjoy a delightful, tasty platter of caramelized grilled mango and creamy burrata with fresh tomatoes, basil, and chili vinaigrette drizzle. I love to shop for artisan cheeses, and a top tip is to always look for the Proudly Wisconsin Cheese badge in the specialty cheese section at your grocer. The badge signifies quality and award-winning flavor. Our favorite unique recipe is this pickled vegetable and sartori Asiago salad. It's tangy, vibrant, and the sartori Asiago gives it this amazing fruity sharpness that ties everything together. One last suggestion, why not make a really fun cheese board moment with all three featured cheeses that I've been talking about today? It's interactive and gorgeous and lets your guests explore different flavors and textures, all with cheese handcrafted in Wisconsin, the state that does it best. They've been handcrafting cheese in Wisconsin for over 180 years.
Where can we go for more information?
You can go to wisconsincheese.com for these great recipes and more. And don't forget, look for the Proudly Wisconsin Cheese badge in the specialty cheese section at your local grocer.
I'm getting hungry now. Thank you, Chef.
Thanks for having me.